Hallo, this is Hans, the Dutch guy, with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the river Nederrijn, of De Nederrijn. This is the way us Dutchies say De Nederrijn. De Nederrijn. There is no emphasis. De Ne-DER-RIJN. All the letters will be pronounced. No rolling R is needed. If you're having trouble with it, you can leave that rolling R out and just say De Nederrijn. I am going on a trip on the river Nederrijn. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!